Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report. This end of day report is for trading on Thursday, November the 30th, the last day of the month, 2017. Tomorrow's December the 1st. Isn't that amazing? The last trading day of the month happened today, and tomorrow is good old December the 1st. Where has the time gone? Seriously, folks. All right, looking at Bitcoin, as you can see, the market has pulled all the way back from its outburst. This is a filling in the gap of sorts, and I think we're going to continue to do that. And the market's going to get near 8,175. So don't be surprised to see us get about halfway down there. Right now in the week, you're forming a pointer, which suggests that this run is not over. The high is not over. You're right at rampage right here. So the market is not done. All right, you're going to have a back and fill. And if the market were to close like this tomorrow, this will form a pointer on the weekly chart. You know what that means. Pointers act like gaps. They point to the right direction of the market is going to inevitably trade. This is it. So this 11,254.18 is not the top, ladies and gentlemen. You heard it here first. This is not the top. The market were to close right here, right now. This was Friday, and this is it. This is a pointer. You know what that means. All right, so we'll see what happens tomorrow, but this is not the high, folks. As of right now, this is not the high. This is not the top of this market. All right, what else? Lloyd Blankfein and some other cat, Bloomberg actually, was on Bloomberg today talking about blockchain and Bitcoin and blah, 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 yada, yada, yada. They didn't have a clue of what they were talking about. Not a clue. These guys are not traders. These guys are businessmen. Okay? They make their money facilitating and acting as the plug to get you to the market. All right? That's what they are. Okay? They make money by selling products and services, not by picking points on a chart and going long or short. They wouldn't know trading if it slapped them in the face. You guys need to know that. Okay? They make their monies off of laws made specifically for them to take advantage. All right? They build the mechanisms so that they can make money. That's what that is. All right? So, believe it or not, you guys, it's a love-hate relationship. Thank God for them, though, because of what they've done. They've provided opportunities for us to take advantage of, believe it or not. If you're a trader, you know what I'm talking about. If you're on the outside looking in, you have no idea what I'm talking about. Go to postwavetrading.com and you will learn how to swim with the sharks. See, Shark Tank is on at the bottom right-hand corner. Learn how to swim with the sharks. These algorithm sharks. Everything is AI. AI is taking over everything that you know. All right? Give it enough time, and AI will completely take over everything and anything that you don't know. The world will be nothing but AI. That's the goal, and that's where they're going to. So, as far as this is concerned, this ain't over. If you missed this, you would have an opportunity for the next leg up. If you missed all of this, then you're going to have a long time to wait, because in order for you to catch all of this right hither, Bitcoin will have to be over 22,000. And you would have to start riding it somewhere up in this point here, where we are now, up to 22,000. Do you have the gonads to do that? You say you do? We shall see. All right. Not in any particular order. Let's go to GDXJ real quick. All right. As you can see, it is not behaving. All right. You're still far away from the price inflection point momentum line of $32.35. If they don't close there tomorrow, then more downside is coming, and there she goes. All right. Looking at NVIDIA. Okay, NVIDIA is looking like the Bitcoin chart, basically. You can see that here. This market needs to close above 206.20 tomorrow, or it's going to open the door to test the trend line supports hither and thither. Looking at XIV, XIV says that the stock market rally is still intact. As long as it stays above and closes tomorrow above 112.56, the rally is still on. Looking at the NASDAQ 100 that had the correction yesterday, it's still trading above 62.94.11. And as long as it does, actually, I need to round that. That's 62.90. We'll say 62.94 even. As long as it stays above 62.94 even, we're good to go. The NASDAQ rally is still intact. Close below that, and trend lines are in play. You're looking at a possible 400-point drop. Just letting you know. The last time this happened was here. You came to the trend line. Here, you came to the trend line. You threatened it here. You touched it here. All right? I'm just saying. Look at where you came from. Look how far it is away from it now. This is where you're headed, folks. And if that don't hold, then this will come up. All right? I'm just saying. Watch the price action. The price action will tell you what's going on. Hack is still above $30 a share. This is not good for the cyber situation and globally, and it manifests itself in all types of schemes and scams. You watch the news, you'll hear something. Here it is right here. All it needs to do is close above $30.78 tomorrow, and the alerts are still going on and still going strong. Taking a look at the Dow, which has been hitting new highs. We've crossed that 24,000. I told you the other day that it was going to do it. So everyone wants to know, where do we go from here? Well, all things being equal, with the rally the way that it is, I would say that we have at least 4,000 to 5,000 more Dow points to go. That would put us around close to Dow 30,000. All right? Hey, it is what it is, folks. You won't see a correction probably until Dow 30,000. You got 4 to 5 more thousand of Dow points to go. I'm just saying, don't hate me. I'm just a messenger. All right, what does this leave for gold, man? The central banks won't leave it alone. They won't let it rally. They won't let it rally. All right, we're flatline right now, believe it or not. Caught up in a congestion phase, sideways market. Markets just running up the lower and higher ends of the channel. And right now, your flat line needs to close above 1284.50 tomorrow, or it's going to stay sideways to lower prices for next week. And just so you know, the trend line right now is at 1267.20. Not far away from that at all. Silver, nothing spectacular happened bullishly speaking, but definitely bearish, extending that run, threatening to possibly lock in within the next 2 weeks to the downside. If that happens, this thing is going deep into 15, maybe even 14 and 13. We shall see. We shall see. In order to put it into this downtrend, market needs to close at $16.95 tomorrow. Happen, not gonna. Therefore, more downside is coming next week. Good old GBTC tracking that Bitcoin. And right now, it is all together. It is bullish. It is strong. And if you think this is the high, you are wrong. As long as this market closes tomorrow above $1,090.38, you are good to go. Barring any flash crash or something nefarious, I do not see that happening. Market will stay bullish. Market will stay strong. Likewise, B to the T to the C to the S. That 9 cents support is holding, believe it or not. And like I said, the call to this one is at least 60 cents, man. This is a mean pointer. And at some point, we're going to get there. Here's the rampage. It's going to help it get there right here. And this rampage takes us well into next year, into February. So around February the 12th, if not sooner, we should be hitting rampage in BTCS. All right. So with that being said, that's about all there is worth to talk about right now. Quick video. Remember, 7-day free trial at postwavetrading.com. Come and register for that subscription. You get the study course for free. You get one-on-one live coaching with yours truly. You also get access to all the premium content in the premium chat room, and you get intraday market analysis and calls that are not uploaded to YouTube. All this stuff can be yours, postwavetrading.com. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Peace.